My name is Achibong Iwaneka, a core member currently serving in the US. I'll be giving a brief summary of what I've learned so far under the Intellectual Capacity Building course. This course lasted for a period of 1 month. It was divided into two sections. We had the introductory section, which was more of a preparatory section, and the main course. The main course was divided into 6 modules. Each of the modules was further subdivided into 2 lectures and a follow-up quiz. The first module talked about the concept of knowledge. Here we learned about epistemology, being the study of the nature of knowledge. And we also learned about knowledge, which is simply the awareness and comprehension of objects and subjects. We also learned that knowledge can be obtained practically by acquaintance and through facts. We also learned about the two major concepts of epistemology, which include empiricism. Here, empiricism believes that knowledge originates from sense and experience. And we also have rationalism, which believes that knowledge originates from a reason and not sense. Also learned about skepticism, which simply is the belief that certain knowledge is impossible, and the 4 types of skepticism, which include absolute skepticism, the Pyrrhonian skepticism, the academic skepticism, and the limited skepticism. We learned about the 6 steps of critical thinking. These steps include step 1, observation, step 2, analysis, step 3, evaluation, step 4, questioning, step 5, contextualization, and step 6, reflection. Further down, we learned about intelligence, the concept of intelligence, and intelligence was defined as the ability to reason, plan, solve problems, think abstractly, comprehend complex ideas, learn quickly, and learn from experience. We learned about the different theories of intelligence, which are the theory of general intelligence by Charles Spearman, the theory of fluid and crystallized intelligence by Cattell and Horn, the theory of primarily mental ability by Thorstone, and the theory of multiple intelligence by Howard Gardner. The last theory is the most known distinction of intelligence, and there are about 9 basic types under this theory. We learned about emotional intelligence and the 4 components of emotional intelligence, which include feelings, bodily arousal, social expressiveness, and sense of purpose. I learned about deductive and inductive reasoning and how they can be applied, about and how they can be applied in our daily lives. We learned about dual thought processes and how it affects our life. Under bounded rationality in behavioral economy, we learned how our social, psychological, and emotional life can influence our economic decision. Then further down under the Afrocentric general knowledge, we learn that Africa is a continent which is richly blessed and have some historical wonders, and how Africa has bore the wrath of imperialism brought by the European powers and how this has affected Africa negatively. So far, this is the summary of what I have learned under the intellectual capacity building. Thank you very much for this.